Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ahmad Amirul Anwar. The matrix number is B13343 and 10218. And today I'm going to present to you about my case study BMKF3243 Asset and Inventory Management. CLO described the role warehousing PLO3C4. The week 4 task is pick one asset and or inventory management system that need improvement. Identify issue related to asset and inventory system in the company. Explain the procedure of asset inventory management depends on company background. And suggest improvement that can help to reduce the time and cost. So for the first one is the introduction. The decision to focus improving the inventory management system for machine components and automation parts in LA feeding engineering is based on the following operational factors. And the first factors is large variety of components. Machine fabrication projects require numerous components such as sensors, pneumatic fittings, motors, bearings, aluminum profiles, and fasteners. Manual tracking increases the risk of missing or inaccurate inventory records. And the second one is project schedule requirements. Delays in obtaining critical machine components can directly affect fabrication and assembly schedules, leading to project delays and reduced productivity. Storage organization challenges. Components are stored in racks and storage areas according to project requirement. Without a systematic inventory management system, locating parts can become time-consuming and inefficient. And the next one is number 2. Identify issues related to asset and inventory system in the company. Based on observation during industrial training at LA Feeding Engineering, several inventory management issues have been identified. Inventory recording errors. Inventory movement is primarily recorded manually using spreadsheets and physical records. Errors may occur during data entry, causing discrepancies between actual stocks, quantities, and recorded inventory levels. Time-consuming stock checking. Employees must perform manual stock counts to verify inventory levels. This process consumes a significant time and may interrupt production and assembly activities. And the third one is difficulty tracking component usage. Various machine projects use similar components without a centralized tracking system. It can be difficult to determine which project consumes specific inventory items. And the fourth is limited real-time inventory visibility. Management cannot instantly monitor stock levels, resulting in delayed purchasing decision and unexpected shortage of critical components. And the last one is inefficient FIFO implementation. Older inventory items may remain unused while newer stock is consumed first, especially for electrical and pneumatic components stored for long periods. And the third page is explain the procedure of asset and inventory management system. Management system depends on the company background. The first one is demand forecasting. LA Feeding Engineering estimates future inventory requirements based on previous machine projects, customer orders, and production schedules. Historical consumption data is reviewed to determine the quantity of materials and components required. And number 2 is inventory planning. Inventory planning focuses on maintaining sufficient stock levels of commonly used components such as sensors, fasteners, pneumatic fittings, bearings, and electrical accessories while avoiding excessive inventory accumulation. And number 3 is inventory ordering. When inventory levels reach a predefined minimum quantity, a purchasing personnel prepare purchase requests and place orders with suppliers to ensure uninterrupted production activities. And number 4 is receiving and storage. Upon receiving materials, employees inspect the quantity and condition of item before storing them in designated racks and storage location according to component categories. And number 5 is logging stock movement, components issued for machine, fabrication projects are recorded manually in spreadsheets and inventory records. Return items are also updated accordingly. And number 6 is inventory optimization FIFO. The company applies a first in, first out FIFO approach by using older inventory items before new stock to minimize waste and maintain inventory quality. And the last one is 7, inventory reporting. Periodic inventory audits are conducted to compare physical stock counts against recorded inventory data and identify discrepancies for corrective action. And here is the fourth page. It suggests improvement that can help to reduce time and cost. And 4.1 is QR code based inventory tracking system method of implementation. First one is assign QR codes to inventory racks and components bins, and then use smartphones or tablets to scan inventory transaction. Automatically update inventory records in a cloud-based database. And the second one is justification for time reduction, and the second one is still in the 4.1 is the QR code based inventory tracking system. So for second one is justification for time reduction, eliminates manual data entry, speeds up stock in and stock out process, and reduce time required for inventory audits. And the third one is justification for cost reduction, minimize inventory discrepancies, prevents overstocking and stock shortage, and reduces labor costs associated with manual inventory management. And that is 4.1, and the second one is 4.2, automate reorder point and inventory monitoring system. The method of implementation. The first one is establish minimum stock levels for critical components, generate automatic notification when stock reaches reorder levels, and maintain digital inventory record accessible by management. And the second one is justification for time reduction, and again it is in 4.2, automate reorder point inventory monitoring system. And the first one is reduce manual inventory inspections, improve purchasing efficiency, ensures timely procurement of required materials, and justification for cost reduction. And that is the third one of 4.2. The first info for justification for cost reduction is prevents production delays due to component shortage, and reduce emergency purchases at higher costs, and improve overall inventory control and resource utilization. And after all, the last one is the conclusion, 5.0. In conclusion, the inventory management system at LA Engineering plays a vital role in supporting machine design, fabrication, assembly activities, although the current manual inventory management approach is suitable for the company's operational scale. Several challenges such as recording errors, time-consuming stock audits, limited inventory visibility, and inefficient tracking of component usage have been identified. To improve operational efficiency, the implementation of the QR code-based inventory tracking system and ultimate reorder point monitoring is recommended. This improvement can significantly reduce inventory management time, improve inventory accuracy, minimize production delays, and lower operational costs by adopting a more systematic inventory business growth. By adopting more systematic inventory management approach, LA Engineering can enhance productivity, support future business growth, and ensure the successful execution of automation projects. That's all from me. Thank you for listening.